This is Book Cafe.
The Book Cafe started in 1997 and it quickly became Harare's cultural hub.
The Book Cafe currently hosts more than 500 events a year, from live music to poetry, comedy, discussions, dance, theatre and book launches. Last year, more than 135 different bands played at the Book Cafe.
And that's not including the bands from Open Mic.
The Book Cafe Open Mic has been running for 15 years. It was a stepping stone on the path to career success for several big artists,
Including Chioniso Maraire, Baba Shupi, Victor Kunonga, Alexio Kawara, and of course myself.
And continues to be the biggest talent development platform in Zimbabwe.
Book Cafe ndiyo nzvimbo inosimudza mbira kubva pasi kudzisimudza tidziendesa kumativi mana enyika kuti dzitambarare dziende kumativi mana enyika.
The Book Cafe also hosts a regular monthly poetry slam,
a regular monthly comedy show,
and plays host to some of the biggest names in Zimbabwe music,
including Oliver Mutukudzi, Mukumba, Sulumani Chimbetu, Hope Masike and Ambuya Stella Chiweshe.
To date, the Book Cafe has received numerous accolades, including a Nama Award, a Prince Claus Award, and this was the first time this award was ever presented to a venue, and various awards for services to the industry. And only this year, the Book Cafe's founder, Paul Brickhill, received the Artwatch Africa Award for promoting artistic freedom.
Because the Book Cafe is a free space
and the home of the artists.
My name is Amara Brown.
My name is the Biko MC.
My name is Claire.
I'm Cynthia Murray. I'm Edith Wawutong.
I'm Manix Moti.
My name is Percy Phineas Nara.
My name is Cynic.
My name is Tarirone Gitare.
My name is Ten Diamond.
And I need you
to support the Book Cafe.
When I came back from the UK, this is where it all started for me. My career blossomed right here at the Book Cafe.
I am Book Cafe.
Book Cafe is my home.
so don't make me homeless.
At the end of 2011, after hosting more than 9,000 shows at the original 5 Avenue venue, the Book Cafe was forced to find a new home and moved to the new Samora Machel venue. The move cost the business more than $50,000 in renovations, relocating, loss of revenue, and licensing regulations. But against the odds and with the help of our community of artists, the Book Cafe reopened in spectacular style in the new venue after less than 3 months. In July of this year, Paul Brickhill, the founder of Book Cafe, was rushed to hospital. He was diagnosed with advanced thyroid cancer, and after a valiant struggle, he passed away at the beginning of October. Once more, the Book Cafe must rally to survive.
We need your help. We need to raise $25,000
to carry out essential upgrades
and to clear unpaid staff wages and other accumulated debts,
which have been standing since the forced relocation 3 years ago.
Any donation, no matter how large or small, can help us reach our target
and ensure the continued survival
of Zimbabwe's most treasured cultural asset.
This is Zimbabwe's cultural hub.
This is the home of the artists.
This is our livelihood.
This is our future.
This is Book Cafe.